Good morning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm coming to you on my first Sunday in June, and this is the anniversary month of my 3rd year on my YouTube channel. And I'm so thankful to have all of you all to view in on what I will be doing for the next few days. And I will have try to keep something coming up every day if possible. If not, there may be 2 things a day if the Lord bless. So I'm thanking you anyway, and I appreciate all of my members, all of my subscribers, all the new ones, all the old ones, and all the ones that's not even around anymore. The ones that I started with, I appreciate you all for staying with me. Some have left, but most of them are still here. And I just want to say, I thank you all so much. And I just want to let you know how much I really appreciate you for coming in and tuning into my channel with my daughter and I, DJ. She has been a great help for the last 3 years. And without her, I don't know what I would have done, because I still don't understand, but I'm trying to get to the place where I can understand, because there are days that she feels bad and there are days that I feel bad also. So I want you all to know how much I appreciate her, as well as you all, for my viewers. And I want you to know, if it was not for her, I would not be able to do all the things that I get done. And I just want her to know also that I appreciate what she does when she feels like doing it. And I want God to bless each and every one of you all that's out there that will be watching. And please try to tune in and view all of the things that I will have going on for the next few days. Because if she feels like it, I'm going to try to get, if nothing out, but maybe one thing a day. And it will be one pot a day, one item a day, one thing a day for the next few days. Probably, I said for 10 days, but during the month of June, I'm sorry, I will be trying to get something out every day. If it's no more than say good morning, and God bless everybody, and have a blessed day. And maybe eat a piece of toast with me, or whatever, for my breakfast, or for my lunch, or for my dinner. But maybe no more or less. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've had some blessed years. I've had some wonderful people. I've had some wonderful gifts that have been given to me. I've done a lot of nice things, and people have done a lot of nice things. There may be sometimes that people don't think that I do appreciate it, but I want you all to know, everything that you say, even every comment that comes in, that's worthy to me. I do appreciate it. No one will ever know the love that I have for all of my subscribers, supporters, and all of my, everybody, just everybody that's on here. I just love you all, because I do my channel from LOVE, love. And that's what I try to support and keep the people in mind, that when they come on to see this channel, this is a channel that comes on with love. So this is my first Sunday, as I say, in June. So today, I didn't get to get on yesterday. But today I'm not having too much, but I'm trying to put one pot meal on. And so I am starting with I have this electric skillet, and I have everything here cut up already. And I've got a little butter in here already. I have little new potatoes, I have carrots, I have bell peppers, I have celery, and all of these items in my bowl. So I'm going to be pouring them all into the skillet now. And I'm going to kind of let them just kind of saute out a little bit. And then I will be putting in, I have just a little bit of butter to melt them in there. Then I'm going to be putting in, okay, now today I have like about 6 chicken legs, drumsticks if you want to call them. Everybody can have a different name for everything, so they've already been washed and cleaned. So all I have to do now is just to put my ingredients on them while this sautés out just a little bit when it's warming up. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to be doing now. It's getting all of my ingredients on the chicken legs. Let me put my glove. Oh, my scripture. I'm sorry. Let me get my scripture first. Okay. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but my word shall not pass away. Luke 21:33. Thou shalt stretch forth thy hands against the wrath of mine enemies. Psalms 138:7. Sometimes I may come back with these same scriptures because my grandgirls got into them the other day and they got them all mixed up. So don't think of that I'm changing up on you, putting them back the same way because they're not in place. So I don't know which ones have gone through and which one had. When I first started, I did have them in line, but they're no longer in line. So I may come to you 2 or 3 times with the same one now. But I appreciate it, and I want you all to understand that. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to go to put a little bit of my, let's get my chicken, my gloves on first, and then I will be. Just a little bit more butter in here. Okay. Now,
okay, y'all, she put onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and complete on the chicken. I'm sorry, I thought I had it on. And she seasoned the vegetables with the same thing, the garlic powder, onion powder, the black pepper, and the complete. She seasoned the vegetables. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I had the video camera on when she was seasoning the chicken.
All right, so now I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit so I can get started a little. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead on. I'm going to drop the chicken in. I have about 7 chicken drumsticks, and I tried to get the smallest ones I could. Because some are a little bit larger than I had here. I'm just getting the rest of the seasoning off of here. Okay. And then I'll put the seasoning. Okay, I'm pouring a little of my broth in. And this is a cream of chicken soup that I'm putting in there. Cream of chicken soup. If I see it's not the flavor that I want when I come back, I will add the other one. But I think since I have only 6 legs, I'm not going to add the extra one at this particular moment. So, okay. Put a little bit of black pepper, more black pepper in it also. Once you put it in, and once you start putting the extra fluid in, it always seems to take the flavor away. So that's why you see me putting a little bit more on top. Okay, now. have just a little, I have onion in here, yeah. I do. I have just a little bit, had about a half a pack of this little onion soup in there that I put in right now. So now, I have not used the gloves, so I didn't have anything on it. Okay, now I'm going to add some more of my broth. And I think this is 32 ounces of broth. So therefore, it's supposed to be 10 calories to a cup of 4 cups would be 40 calories. So it's 2 cups in here. So it's 10 calories in here. So now I will be letting it cook for about, let me see. Well, I have, trying to keep it, about 45 minutes, I think, because I have, it's 1 or 2 of my chicken legs. It's a little bit thick, a little bit larger than the others. I was trying to have them the same size, but it didn't work that way. So I'm going to use the 32 ounces of, I'm not using any water. I'm just using the 32 ounces of chicken broth, okay? With along, and I did show you the onion. I did have a half a package of the Lipton onion. The Lipton onion soup. Okay, so now I'm going to let it cook, and I'll be back shortly to show you how it's coming out. I'm going to put a top on it.
We'll be back, y'all. Bye.
Okay. I just want you to see it cooking. So it's getting, I said I have about 30 more minutes, I'm sure. See it beginning to come off the bone. So I just want you to see it. And then after that, I'm going to add peas and carrots, or either broccoli, I'm not for sure. And corn. But anyway, it's going to be a one dish meal when I'm finished. Thank you.
Back.
I'll be back. I'm getting ready now. I'm going to put in a pack of peas and carrots, okay? They are frozen, so it's going to take a little while. So it's going to take a little while for them to unthaw. So I'll be back shortly. I probably think it's too much, but it's not, because once I put those frozen peas in there, this turns to water anyway. The frozen vegetable, they're gonna turn to water anyway a little bit. So that's why I have to put just a little bit more so I can keep the flavor.
But she mean to have water in them once they thaw out in the pot. All right, y'all, we'll be back. Thank you.
All right, I'm running some whole caramel corn. Some whole caramel corn in there also. Now my peas and carrots have already unthawed enough. So I'm putting 4.5 ears of corn in.
That's my sausage, y'all, because I can't eat chicken anymore. I'm allergic to it. So I threw some turkey sausage in there for me.
Oh yeah, okay. So she's always have a turkey sausage right there on this side. Okay.
All right, y'all. We'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.
Everybody, this is my final touches, my final presentation of what I'm having for dinner today. And this is a one-pot meal. It has all your vegetables and everything in there. And of course, by DJ not having to eat chicken, she added her turkey sausage in there. So this is still very good though. I'm going to put me, so I'm going to fix a plate here for myself.
Yeah, it tastes so good.
This is with all the vegetables around it. There are potatoes and everything in here. This the baby potatoes. You might not can see them because I kind of cut them up. But I was trying to fix it where you could probably see them also.
Okay, y'all, this is her plate. Right here. She got the chicken and everything on it. Alright. So I guess she gonna taste it. So we can log off of here. Here.
Okay.
And thank you everyone that's been rocking with us for the 3 years, and
I appreciate you so much, everybody.
Her 3-year anniversary doing TikTok, and we appreciate everybody that rocked with her. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. The new ones, the faithful one, the one been holding the memberships for her, all of, we truly appreciate you. And y'all, if y'all don't know how to y'all want to be a member of her channel, it's on her page. They tell you how to be it's a video also.
Okay. Now this is my plate I will have with my cornbread and all. Okay.
Ready?
I'm all right. So I'm getting ready to eat a bite of my dinner here. So the chicken is so hot I have to cut it before I can eat it anyway. It's just as you see, it's just coming out of the hot skillet. Okay. Well, let me thank you for the food.
Y'all, this is so good. Like I said, I can't eat the chicken no more because got food poison, got allergic to chicken, but my turkey sausage mixed in with it is good.
Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you all. And I will see you again on another video, hopefully tomorrow. And I hope you all will like this one.
Y'all, please like the videos. It helps Miss Lynn, help YouTube to put her videos out. Please like the videos. And I'm sorry we don't comment on the videos. We just don't be feeling good, y'all. But thank you for the comments. Miss Lynn read each and every one of the comments. So don't think she don't read them. And the ones that have questions, she will definitely answer the ones with the food question on. And hopefully she have been answering the one with the food question on. But if she haven't, y'all, we're so sorry. So sorry. But if you want to answer from her for anything about her food, please check in her email. Send it to her email. And it will definitely get answered. All right, thank y'all.
Bye-bye, everyone. With all my love. Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thanks so much for my anniversary. All right. Thank you.